All right, it's the end of the 2024 season, getting ready for 2025. We beat the crap out of these cars. They go through quite a bit. So in a normal season, they start out looking nice and fresh. After a few events, they start looking a little beat and tattered. So at the end of the year, we'll do a once over, go through the whole car, make sure that we check all the body panels that are beat up, replace any suspension, mechanical, anything like that that needs to be addressed. That way, going into 2025, we're ready to go and we don't have to deal with any funny business at the track. So just trying to get ready for next year. On the front end of this thing, it's been ran into so much stuff. I have to replace pretty much the whole body kit. It's gonna get new fenders. The fiberglass over fenders will get repaired, but the metal fender underneath will get replaced. I already put some fresh doors on it just because I didn't want it leaking water while it's parked outside or anything. The quarter panels, there's over fenders that go on top of those. I'll straighten the quarters enough to where when the over fenders go on, it looks fine. We're putting lipstick on pigs here, so it'll work. After that, pretty much gonna go through and refresh all the suspension stuff. So replace anything that's bent, broken, just try to make sure all the Heim joints are solid, no play, no funny business, anything like that. After I go through all the suspension stuff, I'll then start looking at the mechanical stuff, which these things are pretty robust and pretty reliable. So it'll really just be a fluid check, oil change, maybe replace some gaskets for exhaust stuff, because this thing gets beat on pretty hard. Other than that, we'll pretty much just re-tidy up all the body panels at the end, rewrap it, and then it's ready for 2025.
What's up, everyone? So my car is not really needing everything that Brian's car is gonna need. He drives a lot harder than I do. Comes into contact with people a little bit more than I do. So a few things that I need to do. Luckily, these KBD body kits have a lifetime warranty, so I punched a hole in it right here, but our guy Irv is gonna actually swap us out for some new kits this season, so I'll be getting a new body kit. Probably keep the same fenders and over fenders. If you go back to one of my videos, I actually made these myself, so the other side has a little bit torn out of it, so I'll end up fixing that. But really, this car doesn't need much. I need to go through and kind of just make sure everything is tight. I do need some front wheels. These are borrowed from Brian. So if you guys have any suggestions on wheels, looking for something that's very durable, because I've cracked my other ones a couple times. So what else? A couple miscellaneous things. I'd like a new steering wheel. I'd like a new shift knob. But the car's ripping right now. I've got a couple fluids to change, power steering, brake, clutch fluid. That's all super black, so yeah, I'll get some of that done. And that's pretty much it for the mechanical stuff. In terms of our look for the 2025 season, we haven't really hammered that out yet. It's kind of everything is still up in the air in terms of what colors, what kind of design we do. So if any of you guys have any suggestions on what we should do, what you'd like us to look like this year, let us know. Let us know down in the comments below what you think these cars should look like for the 2025 season, and make sure to subscribe so you can see how we do. Thanks, everyone.
Cool.